Everyone wants AI animated videos these days, and it's not just a passing trend. It's the future of content creation. Whether you're a YouTuber, educator, or storyteller, chances are you've searched for ways to bring your ideas to life using artificial intelligence. The demand is growing faster than ever. You've probably seen a lot of creators jumping into AI animation. Some do an okay job, but let's be honest, most of them fall short of what audiences truly want. People don't just want animations anymore. They want high-quality AI animations that are completely free. No subscriptions, no hidden charges, and no overpriced software. Sounds impossible? Well, not anymore. And today, I'm making you a promise. We're going to help you create stunning professional AI animated videos for free. No catch, no trial limits, just pure value. Now, if you're new to AI animation, I've already uploaded detailed tutorials showing you how to create these videos step by step. Those are linked in the description, so make sure to check them out after watching this. Because today's video isn't about the basics, it's about tools. Specifically, the top 4 free AI animation tools that are available right now and actually work. These aren't just powerful, they're beginner-friendly and require zero payment. Let's jump right into the first tool. Click the link in the description to open the site. Once it loads, you'll see a character or avatar on the homepage. Look for the Try Free button and click on it. At this point, no login is needed. A new page will open, and on the left-hand side, you'll see a Sign In option. Use your Google account to log in. Fast, secure, and still free. Once you're on the dashboard, ignore the character image for now and find the section labeled AI Video. Click it. A pop-up will appear on the right side of the screen. Make sure you're in the Video tab. Now, under Type, select either LTX video or image video, depending on what's displayed for you. In the Image Model section, choose Flux 1 Image Checkpoint. Don't change this. Keep it as is. Upload your image. Make sure it's a clear front-facing photo. This is what the AI will animate. Next, set the video width to 768 pixels. This is important because the free plan has limits. For duration, enter 2.3 seconds. That's the maximum for free users, but it's enough to get impressive results. Now scroll down. You'll see a text box where you can enter your prompt. This is where you describe what the animation should do. Be specific and creative. Once you're done, hit Generate. And here's the cool part. Your video will be ready in just 15 seconds. Not 15 minutes, just 15 seconds. And the quality is amazing, smooth, expressive, and 100% free. Let's move on to the second tool. The link is also in the description. When the site opens, it may be in a different language. Don't worry, just right-click anywhere and select Translate to English. Now, on the left, you'll find a button that says Step Video. Click it. A new interface will open. You'll need to log in. I've already shared the login info in one of my earlier videos, and the link to that is in the description. Once you're in, upload a clear image of yourself or any character you want to animate. Then enter a prompt that tells the AI what kind of animation you want. Click Generate and wait about 2 minutes. That's it. In just a few minutes, your AI animated video is ready. No payment, no restrictions, and yes, you can do it as many times as you want. Now let's talk about the third tool, CapCut's AI Video Maker. Go to the site and click AI Video Maker. A new page will appear. Click on Instant AI Video. On the right side, you'll see a few settings. First, choose your video aspect ratio. If you're creating for YouTube, go with 16:9. For TikTok or Instagram Reels, choose 9:16. Paste your script into the box. You can write your own or use one from your previous content. Click Create, and in under a minute, CapCut will generate the full video. Visuals, voiceover, music, and captions all included. It's a full package. If the preview looks low quality, don't worry. Just click Export and select HD. Your final video will look clean and sharp. You can even make videos up to 10 minutes long, all for free. Finally, let's explore one more powerful tool, Canva. Open Canva and head to the Video tab. Choose a video size that fits your project, YouTube, Instagram, anything you like. In the editor, look to the left and click Magic Media. Select Video, then type your prompt. It could be anything, a scene, a character, an animation idea. When you're done, click Generate. In just a minute, Canva will generate an AI video based on your input. It's easy, fast, and surprisingly realistic. And here's a tip, try using the image option in Magic Media as well. Often, the image results are even better. You can animate them later using other tools. And that's it. 4 amazing tools to create free AI animated videos right now. So now it's your turn. Which tool worked best for you? Which gave you the coolest result? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what you created. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.